Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, as I have promised that in this video I will discuss about all the advanced credit courses provided by Institute as of now. Okay, and also in this video I will also share the ranking, okay, on top priority which course you need to start if you want to start in the stage of CMA final or after completing the final. What will be the best strategy to start these courses? I will also discuss in this video. So in the main website, home website of ICMI, you just need to click on advanced studies courses. Okay, so you will come to the main, you can say that the screen of advanced credit courses. The first one is forensic audit, then second one data analytics, then SAP finance power user, then advanced business Excel, then DISA, then this course cost and management accounting. This will be specifically beneficial for those who are from engineering background, arbitration, and this business valuation. Okay, so these are the 8 advanced credit courses as of now which are providing by institute from okay. And yes, also institute from time to time introduce some more courses, and whenever institute introduce some more courses, I will also inform to you guys. Okay, so what will be my suggestion? Okay, so my suggestion to you in the stage of although you can start these courses, some of the courses, if you are in the stage of final, but my suggestion to you, you need to start these courses after completing the final. On top priority, you have to complete CMA final as soon as possible. Okay, and yes, this videos also benefit for CAT student, CMA foundation, inter and final. After 1, 2 or 3 year, you will become a qualified CMA, so then this will become a beneficial to you. So now come to on the basis of ranking. If you're talking about my opinion on the basis of ranking, which course you need to start after completing CMA to enhance or to grow your career. So first, I will give two preference to number one ranking SAP Finance Power User. You need to start on the immediately whenever you join your after completing the CMA and when you start your office. Okay. Reason is that you can also understand the importance of SAP. CMA Institute itself introduced SAP training for the CMA inter student. Okay. You can see that they remove 100-hour computer training and they introduce SAP training for CMA inter student. Yes, CMA Institute also understand the importance of SAP training in the corporate world. Okay, so nowadays most of the organization, whenever they are recruiting any candidate, they are asking, are you have a knowledge of SAP or not? So yes, there is an importance of SAP in the corporate world to survive and to enhance or grow your career. Then second, I will give ranking to DISA. You need to start DISA, then advanced business Excel, then data analytics, then forensic audit, then business valuation, then arbitration, then if you want you can cost and management accounting for engineers. And also in the upcoming time institute also introduce some more advanced studied courses. I will also inform you. Okay, so guys, yes, these are the ranking. Okay, so I can assure that this will benefit a lot to you to grow or enhance your career. Okay, and apart from this, guys, soon I will also make a separate video with the related detailed video, all the requirement, eligibility criteria. Okay, for a separate video for forensic audit, for data analytics, for SAP Finance Power User, for advanced business Excel, for DISA, all these courses I will make a separate video so you will understand how to take admission. Okay, and guys, you can start or pursue these courses. These are the short-term courses. You can pursue these courses along with your job. Okay, so you have to more focus. You can take the online classes, online session in Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so it will not impact or effect on your job. So along with job, you can start or pursue these courses to enhance, to grow your career. It will, I can assure that these courses will benefit a lot to you. And if you're asking about me for the feedback, so a lot my friends are currently pursuing these courses. One of my friend pursuing DISA course, and one of my friend pursuing 3 courses: data analytics, SAP, and advanced business Excel. And the review is received from these candidates. They are saying that yes, classes are very good. Okay, and after that, whenever this course complete, you have to give the examination, then institute will provide the certificate. So guys, this is all about, you can say that the all the advanced credit courses which is provided by institute as of now. And soon I will also make a separate video, individual video, the all the detail related with the separate courses. Okay, so if any candidate has a doubt in the comment section or need any clarification in the comment section, you can ask your doubt or your question. I will surely help you. So from my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.